Hello guys, welcome to our channel How to Do It tutorial videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get followers on Threads. So once you open your Thread application, just go to your profile and then you have to tap the followers right over here on top. So in here, you will see the followers, following, and pending. So into your following, you can see at the very top, the see others you're following on Instagram that you're not following in Threads yet. So just tap the see all options right over here. So you can follow them and maybe they can follow you back as well. So that's one tip to get followers on Thread. Now let's move on to pending. So in here, these are all of the accounts that I've followed but haven't signed up for Threads quite yet. So just wait for them to sign up for Threads and maybe they can follow you back as well. Next tip is you can start posting on Threads and you can post your thoughts, pictures, comments, videos, and others in here so that you can attract more followers. Okay, so the next tip is you can start engaging with other people on Threads so that the more you are using this app and engaging with others, the more followers you can get. So those are the tips how to get followers on Thread. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.